Welcome back to the Quickbooks video series hosted by Protea Academy. Today in episode 8, we'll take a look at customers. To find your customers in Quickbooks, you need to go to the left-hand panel and click on Sales. Go down to the Customers tab to bring up the Customers page. At the top, you'll see a brief summary showing if any items are overdue or open balances. At the bottom, you'll see a list of all your customers with certain information, including whether they have an opening balance or not. On the right-hand side, there are some links you can click to create an invoice. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll see a few more options. We'll take a look at these options in future videos. If you have an opening balance, you'll see that the link is a bit different. You can click on Receive Payment or the drop-down list for some other options you can do. Over here, you can print your customers or you can export to Excel. If you click the gear icon, you can change some of the settings you see on this page. We can also select multiple customers at once and bring up the Batch Action tab. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll see your options. You can email or make a statement in batch for your customers. Let's take a look at how we create a new customer. You can click the drop-down menu to import customers, which we have done in a prior video. Click on the new customers to bring up the following screen. First, you'll need to type in the name and surname of your customer. This might not be the same as the company's name, and therefore in the company display name, you want to put the company's name. QuickBooks will bring up some options, but be cautious when using these options. I prefer to enter my details manually. Enter the following information, such as your email address, phone number, cell phone number, and other information that you require to invoice your customer. You can even make the customer a sub-customer of other customers if they are in the same group. If you scroll down, you're now required to enter your address for the customer. This is important as a lot of customers receiving invoices need the invoice to be correct to make payment. Enter in all your information carefully. You can even preview this address, which will bring up the address in Google Maps. You can click if you want this address to be the same as your billing address. You can also add notes for customers in this block that will bring it up on each invoice. You can also add an attachment. A good idea is to add the customer's W-9. You can choose their preferred payment method and their terms, and you can change their delivery preferences. You can also add additional tax information like if they have exemptions. These little buttons at the top help you to navigate between the different sections by jumping to the section you click on. Once you are happy with your customer, click on the Save button. Now that we've created our new customer, we can go into that customer's individual screen. Over here, you can see that you can filter your screen by a few things, like transaction type, open balance or open transactions, or you can even apply a date filter. On the side, you'll see that you can click between the different customers, and at the top, it provides you a summary of the customer's details as well as if they have invoices or open balances. If you click the edit icon, the create screen will come up and you can edit any of the information. You can also make the customer inactive here or merge customers together. You can also create new transactions. Click the drop-down list to see which transactions you can create. There are different tabs where you can see a statement for your customer. If you have any recurring transactions, here's all the customer's details, and if you've charged any late fees. Basically, all your customer information that you'll need for a specific customer can be found on the individual screens. You can also create transactions and make payments here. If you click the plus new button, you can also add a customer at the bottom of the first column. Thank you for watching the QuickBooks video series hosted by Protea Academy. In episode 9, we'll be taking a look at sales receipts.